Okay, I'm going to show you Scribe. Scribe is something that we learn to use in one of the other graduate classes we've taken. And since then, my wife and I both use this. Oh, snap. Awesome. There we go. We both use this in our classrooms for a bunch of different things. Scribe is basically a way that you can outline or map collaboratively with other people. So this is actually what my wife and I did to plan out our digital literacy project for another class. So basically, you can map it up, you can scroll, you can zoom in. Oh, no, you can't. You can move it all around, you can adjust, you can remove and add arrows to different places and connect it to different things. You can add text, word, pictures, maps, calendar events. It's all kind of crazy, but this is how I've used it in my classroom before. This is from this year. So one question we always ask to figure out is, what do you expect from me? So we went to the computer lab and I posed this question and then said, this is how you do it. Here you go. So then they learned, okay, to add one, I just need to add the box, and then I need to add and type my name and then put in what I need. As you can see, some kids like capital letters and some kids do not. But it was neat because you can have this up on the screen while they're all updating it, and then they're seeing it as it's being updated. Now obviously not everyone does the right thing, but I can just quickly delete those and move on. So we've used this for expectations, we've used this for getting ideas about parties, because it's more fun than putting sticky notes and sticking them on the wall. And in reality, it's more of a reflection of what they probably will need to do and tools they will actually need to be able to know how to use to distance plan with a school member, a colleague, with people they work with in business, whatever they may end up doing. Just being able to collaboratively work together, not looking at each other face to face, is a skill that they will need in our digital world. So SpiderScribe.net, very simple to set up. One limitation is, though, you can only have 3 maps open at a time unless you want to upgrade, which isn't the greatest. So I'll quickly run through and make a new one. So all I have to do is just drag the text there. There's my new note. I can adjust the color, font, how thick the border is, background color, sample note, and then just pull off the circle and you can make as many notes, bridge off of that as you want. You can reconnect them another way, you can duplicate it. The biggest issue with kids is making sure the expectations are set and that you enforce them, because otherwise kids will just put silly things, they'll erase each other's notes, all sorts of mean things. So this is SpiderScribe. This is something that I've used in my class before, and it's worked out really well as long as you set your expectations beforehand about what you want to do.